Robert the Gaming Animating Bro 2025 presents. Like
and subscribe.
Okay class. Today we will doing mathematics. So Stephanie, what is 128 plus 256?
It's 384.
Correct.
Man, the school pisses me off. As for school, I'm so tired, and also I'm so bored. So what should I do? I'm going to make a prank at students and teachers. Using full fire alarm at school. I guess this will be funny. Hot, 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 hot.
So Callie, what is 333 plus 444?
Excuse me, Mr. Hernandez, can I go to the restroom?
Sure.
Are you ready? Here goes nothing.
Oh my god. Class, let's evacuate school now. No way. I don't know why we need to evacuate the school. I guess Callie did that.
Hey, I never pulled the fire alarm. I was in the restroom. I am not lying, it was true. I've been shocked too.
Well, I know that is not actually you, Callie.
All right, teachers and students. I want to say that the fire drill is a false alarm. It was Callie. She pulled the fire alarm. I saw it in a camera.
Oh my gosh, Principal Gregory. How did you see me? I thought there is no camera. I've been caught, and I've been screwed.
Callie, how did you not notice that there is a camera all over the school? As for pulling the fire alarm, you are suspended for 2 months. Go home, and I will call your mom and tell about this. As for you all, let's go back to school.
Callie, I've got a phone call for principal that you pull the fire alarm and pranked all the teachers and students. How freaking dare you, huh? What is your problem? Well, thanks to you, you should never do that again. So, you are grounded for 6 days. Go upstairs to your room, and think about what you did.